Tips for cleaning food spills. If you spill food or anything other than liquid, first remove any large pieces, then use a vacuum to remove any remaining debris. Once debris has been removed, apply your cleaning solution to the stain. Remember not to use aftermarket cleaners. Use a soft brush to gently rub your cleaning solution into the stain, making sure to work from the outside of the stain, inward. This will help keep the stain from spreading. Rinse your brush frequently for the best results. Remember, soap attracts dirt, so be sure to rinse with clean water to remove all the soap residue after the stain is gone. To rinse, just dampen your cloth, press into the fabric, rinse and wring out all soap residue, then repeat until all traces of soap are gone and the stain has completely disappeared. Once clean, press the area with a clean, dry towel to soak up excess water, then allow your fabric to air dry.